Hi, this is me, Dr. Sanaullah Khan. Welcome to my Natural Healing channel. Our today's topic is related to 4 best soaked foods to eat in the morning for your gut health. With the help of these natural kitchen ingredients, it will cure all the issues related to your gut and indigestion on permanent basis. Are you tired of dealing with bloating, acidity, indigestion, constipation or gas? In today's video, I am going to reveal a time-tested and natural solution for all your gut problems. A simple ritual that requires soaking and eating just 4 natural ingredients every morning for permanent relief from digestive disorders. Today I am going to share with you a powerful and permanent solution for all your gut related problems, be it indigestion, gas, bloating, constipation or acidity. And the best part, it's 100% natural, no side effects, and it can be done by anyone at any age using just 4 simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. These 4 miracle foods, when soaked overnight and eaten on an empty stomach, not only relieve gut discomfort instantly but also heal the digestive tract permanently when taken regularly. Yes, we are talking about a life-changing morning habit, soaking and eating these 4 foods early in the morning. So get ready. Let me first explain why morning time is the best for such remedies. When we wake up, our stomach is empty and our body is in its cleansing mode. During this time, everything we consume directly affects our digestive tract, gut flora, metabolism, and even our nervous system. That's why soaked foods become more than just nutrition, they become healing medicine. They soften overnight, become easier to digest, release enzymes and beneficial compounds, and start repairing our gut lining, nourishing our intestines and flushing our toxins. Now let's explore those 4 miracle ingredients one by one you must soak and eat daily. Our first natural ingredient is soaked almonds, the prebiotic protein powerhouse. Take 6 to 8 almonds in a glass of water and soak them overnight. When you get up early in the morning, just peel and chew them thoroughly. Soaked almonds are rich in fiber, magnesium and natural oils that strengthen the gut lining. It enhances digestive enzyme production, prevents constipation and keeps bowel movements regular. It reduces acidity, balances gut flora and strengthens the gut lining. Almonds are prebiotic, which means they feed your good bacteria and help them grow. They are especially beneficial for people suffering from gastritis, GERD and acid reflux. Our second natural ingredient is soaked fenugreek seeds. In Urdu or Hindi we call it methi dana, the gut cleanser. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in half a glass of water overnight. When you rise up early in the morning, chew these soaked seeds and drink the rest of the water left. This will regulate your bowel movements and relieves flatulence. It contains mucilage that soothes the intestinal wall. It prevents acidity and bloating, detoxifies the liver and colon, and is useful for IBS and colitis. These seeds are especially helpful for people who constantly suffer from indigestion after heavy meals or oily food. It calms down the system and boosts peristalsis. Our third natural ingredient is soaked raisins. In Urdu and Hindi we call it kishmish, the natural laxative. Soak 10 to 15 raisins in half a cup of water overnight. When you rise up early in the morning, eat raisins and drink the rest of the soaking water on an empty stomach. These seeds are high in natural sugars, iron and antioxidants, useful for eliminating toxins, relieves constipation, supports liver and gut function as well, improves gut flora and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. They act as a natural laxative, improves appetite and gut motility, relieves constipation and gas, detoxify liver and improves skin clarity. Raisins also support good bacteria in the gut and reduces bloating. Great for those women suffering from hormonal imbalances and constipation related skin issues. Our fourth natural ingredient is soaked fennel seeds. In Urdu and Hindi we call it saunf, the gut soother. Soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in half a cup of water overnight. When you get up early in the morning, drink the strained water and chew rest of the soaked seeds. These seeds will be very helpful for reducing gas, bloating, acidity and indigestion. It also enhances absorption of nutrients, relieves abdominal discomfort, promotes bile flow and enzyme release. Very helpful in irritable bowel syndrome and mild ulcers as well. This is the best solution for those with frequent gas, abdominal pain or acid reflux after meals. Fennel is known to soothe digestive spasms. Now here I would like you to suggest following tips for getting maximum results. Be consistent for 30 to 60 days. Don't skip or combine with tea or coffee. Follow with a glass of lukewarm water or light herbal tea. Chew the ingredients slowly and mindfully. Avoid processed or fried foods. This will provide you the long-term benefits regarding permanent freedom from gas, acidity and bloating, stronger gut microbiome, healthy appetite and regular bowel habits, improved metabolism and skin clarity, better mental focus and less mood swings, gut-brain axis balance. Dear friends, healing is in your hands. Healing doesn't always need expensive medicine. It begins with the right habits. Nature has provided us everything we need to thrive. These 4 ingredients are your daily dose of digestive gold. If you are serious about overcoming your indigestion, acidity, bloating, constipation or IBS, just follow this simple routine every morning. You will thank yourself later. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below my Natural Healing channel for weekly videos on acupressure, homeopathy, alternative medicines, sound therapy, frequency healing and radionic computing. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Which one helped you most? I would love to hear your story. Also share this video with friends and family who suffer from gut issues. You might be saving someone's life with this simple advice. Until next time, thank you very much for being with us. Take care of yours. Very good by yourself. stay healthy, stay blessed. This is me, Dr. Sanaullah Khan, signing off.